I was an innocent crafter, preparing for a peaceful day of stamping and cutting. I had no idea what was in store for me. A gorgeous bloom lays flat in front of me. The petals, the colors, are a beautiful sight to see. So many details and delicate work. My scissors on the shelf give me a smirk. I sigh and lift my scissor to perform the deed. Each cut along the lines makes me want to concede. Snip, cut, snip, cut. The time drags on and on. My cuts must be precise, I say as I yawn. Finally, my task is almost complete. One last cut. I won't give in to defeat. But then I feel a twitch, a tickle in my nose, and then achoo! A sneeze I feel from my head to my toes. Alas, my hand slipped. My scissor made a big mistake. My sneeze left behind disaster in its wake. My beautiful bloom is now cut in two. All of my efforts are wasted, it is true. I look away in defeat, ready to surrender. But then out the window, I see someone enter. It is the mailman with my package from Altenew. I squeal because I know what will ensue. I rip open my package and take out my new die. I look at my scissor and say bye-bye. No more fussy cutting, no more tears. I will use my die cuts for the rest of my years. From this day forward, my die set is my friend. In my craft room it will stay until the very end. Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!